हेलो दोस्तों, हमारे शॉर्ट हैंड लैब प्रयागराज में आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। मैं आपको जनरल डिक्टेशन प्रोवाइड करूंगा जिसकी स्पीड होगी 80 से 90 वर्ड पर मिनट। 400 वर्ड की डिक्टेशन है। आप लोग रेडी हो जाएं। स्टार्ट। सर, दिस अमेंडिंग बिल is quite a healthy one, and on behalf of workers, I think we would be justified in welcoming the various provisions of the bill. It was but natural and justifiable that the Indian Airlines and the Air India Corporation should be brought within the jurisdiction of the central sphere. But at the same time, I take this opportunity to bring one particular fact to the notice of the Labour Ministry, that the provisions of the Industrial Disputes Act are not being properly extended to the concerns that have already been brought under the jurisdiction of the center. I am referring to the railways. As a matter of fact, the Industrial Disputes Act inapplicable to the railways, but it is well known that the administration has persistently refused to abide by the provision, and therefore I should like to request the government that they should be very particular about the effective implementation of the provisions of the Industrial Disputes Act in the various concerns which are brought within its purview, that the dispute between an employee and an employer should be an industrial dispute. No doubt, we stand for the growth of a strong trade union movement, and as such, he should like to see that every workman is represented through the union, and that every industry should have only one union, so that the principle of one industry, one union should be brought into practice. Nevertheless, under the present circumstances, it would be justifiable to deny the workers their right to get their cases represented through a union or through their own lawyers or themselves. As such, this particular provision under the present circumstances deserves to be welcomed, though we should like to see that in times to come there should be growth of healthy trade union movement, under which every workman would be represented through some union or the other. The lay of compensation would be become payable for all the days of the layoff beyond the first 45 days, whether the period of continuous or not. This is also a welcome feature of this bill because, as we all know, our employers have been experts in depriving labor of its legitimate dues. Various devices have been adopted in this effect on many occasions. I would like particularly to mention the device of continuing workmen for years together as temporary just through some technical lacuna. Thank you so much.